Oh, please. Oh. Let's eat dolls. Bro, that's a solid size.
50, yeah?
Yeah.
Solid, bro. Dude.
We'll make it to town. Town is only like 20 kilometers away.
Oh, hey.
I do not consent to being filmed. Oh, this car hasn't been stationary for 5 hours. Holy shit, this is disgusting. Ew. 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 Oh my god. Bro. They're so, they feel so weird. As you can clearly tell, this is my first time using freaking worms, but oh, see, I see. Oh, carp. Wait, is this a carp? Oh, yeah. Damn. What the fuck? That carp. This might be a cord, but it does feel like, it's heavy. Sorry about the bell, guys. Oh, please. Please. Oh, it's so heavy. What is it? What is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, please. Oh. What is it? That looks like a... Bring him in. Bring him in. Oh. Bring him in. Oh, that's a cod. Wait, what is that? I forgot what it... Carp. Yeah, it's a carp. Wait, what is that? I think it's a carp. What a beast. What an absolute beast. Motherfucker. Disaster. Holy crap, yeah, we definitely need to weigh this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I don't want to touch this stuff.
Hurry up.
Oh, Jesus. You. Oh.
Quick.
No, I can't, bro. It's hold it, hold it. Oh my god. Hold it. Do not drop the fish. Do not drop the fish. Hold it properly.
Ew. And make sure you just put it off. Hey, you just dropped it all.
What? Me?
Is this guy moving? No?
No, don't. Jesus Christ, that does not sound good.
Bro, what do you want me to do?
This does not sound good.
Just chuck it in.
Isn't that bad?
Yes. Out of all the fish I've done, it was the worst. Carp drenched in full cream milk with a bit of salt and a bit of lemon, half a lemon, and let that sit for the night. You want to have that for breakfast. You better catch some trout. I didn't just get 4 hours or 5 hours of sleep. Not to catch trout. Smells good though.
Taste wise, it's actually really nice. Probably like a 8 or something.
7. Quite interesting. It's actually not that bad. Actually, it's not bad at all. We're in Melbourne. Let's go have a walk around the
So rich.
We're here back in Melbourne. You can actually afford here. You can actually buy a house here. 3, the public transport. You can't go nowhere in Sydney without a car. Excuse me, sir. It looks so good. Let's eat, guys.
The almond is our most popular.
Get you a knife.
Sandwich here? Oh no. Murray Con.
Yes, please, can I help you?
Sick.
That's actually so sick.
I'm gonna wash my hands. You guys can take Oh no, right? Oh, I'm so full that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, I don't mind the
Right, shall we mix up the tom yum? Let's do that. Oh, that smells so good.
One with size.
Yeah. Oh, whoa.
This is the season for it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is this considered like big for here?
For here, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, that's
For
a
now, yeah.
solid size.
50, yeah?
Yeah.
Solid, bro.
Dude.
57, 60.
Bro, I've never seen a sucker that big.
Really?
No, we're not from here. So.
Oh, really? Where you from?
Sydney.
Oh, Sydney?
네 곁에 내가 힘이 돼줄게 작은 해 보게도 웃을 수 있게 네 앞에 서너린 아이지만 언제나 내 곁에 있어 있을 거야. I love you.
Stay still. Stay still.
Not like Sydney. Sydney's all over the place.
Canberra's better.
My legs.
Excuse me, sir. You're not allowed to record here.
I love you. 참아